Hey everyone, it's Karen King at Gold Star Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can now customize your appointment confirmation and reminder workflows depending on if it's a new appointment booked or if it's a rescheduled appointment. Because naturally, if it's a new appointment, you might want to say one thing in an email. If it's a rescheduled, you might want to say something a little different. In the past, we couldn't do that, but now we can. So to add this to a current workflow, something you've already got set up in the system, all we need to do is add a new action. So we'll click on the plus, and what we're looking for is if else. This is going to allow us to filter which direction people will move through your workflow. So essentially here, we're going to give it a name. Is this a new or rescheduled appointment? Then what we're going to do is down here, we're going to say new. And in this setting here, we're going to choose appointment rescheduled false. So that means if it's a rescheduled appointment, it will not come down this branch. Then underneath that, we're just going to change this to say rescheduled. So essentially, if it's a false rescheduled, in other words, it's not a rescheduled appointment, it's going to go down this branch. Everything else, that is, any that are rescheduled appointments, are going to come down the second branch. So if we click on save, you'll now see two branches. So we have new and rescheduled. Now what you might like to do is copy this confirmation email over to the right-hand side and come into here and change this content. So for example, instead of saying your appointment has been confirmed, you might like to say your appointment has been rescheduled and the new time is such and such. So you can customize this a little bit, and then once it's done, click on Save As. From there, if you want them to come back down into the regular reminders, all we need to do is add a go to action. So we'll click on Save, and then we just need to choose where they're going to move to after this one. So they come to the go to, we want them to go to the 24 hours before the appointment wait step. So with that done, if we go back up to the top, you'll see when an appointment is booked, they're going to come in, get assigned to a user, then it's going to come to here and look if it's a new or a rescheduled appointment. If it's new, it's going to come down this side. If it's rescheduled, it's going to come down this side. They'll each get their unique confirmation email, and then in the instance of a rescheduled appointment, they're going to come down and move into the rest of the workflow so that they get their 24-hour reminder and then their 1-hour reminder. So I hope that makes sense. If you've got any questions, of course, jump on with the live chat team or ask questions in the Facebook group.